Alright, anyway, we're going to walk through this. Let's see how good this goes. Let's find the email first. Get this done here. We will open Gmail. I'm guessing that's what you'll do. Oops, but mine won't be here. Yours should be in your Gmail. I sent it to myself. That Jesse at Supernova Design Company is this guy. So here's the link. Some stuff. Click open, and what you end up with is this spreadsheet with client type, source, all these filters. If you notice, I have about 22 actual folks that's not Annika or Scott or Kyle. And what we want to do is get up to 100 here. There's a BKM, although I don't think. Let me try to say, why is it hard to talk when you're on camera? Anyway, yeah, here's the steps. If you miss anything, it's probably, or maybe may not be here. So pick a place to look. Let's just do Google Maps. And so you'll go and open Google Maps. If you're on Google search, I don't know if you will have Google Maps, but you'll probably, if you go here, actually, never mind. If you go to google.com and just do /maps, it brings you here. And then back in this spreadsheet, which will all be in Google Chrome, let's do, I'm going to copy, I double clicked in there, and I'm going to copy Control C. Control plus C at the same time. And then I'll type that into here. Architects near 9, our area code. And then it's going to spit out a whole bunch. You can keep going down and down and down. And so what we're going to look for is just grabbing these guys. So JRJ. Let's go back here. Let's see if we have JRJ. I don't think so. And alright, so JRJ is legit. I should probably, let me see real quick. I don't know how to filter in here. Anyway, we'll just keep it manual. So what I would do is click here, and this will open it like this. If you're curious, you could zoom in. We could find out if it's actually how close to our house, which is over here if you see Bethany. This is actually quite close to our house, which is kind of interesting. And so I would copy this. And you know, I was thinking we could go to their website and see if it might be, and we'll get there. You never know. So I'm going to double click in the field and hit Control V. Plus V equals paste. And I'll go back here, and if I want their website, so right here is their website. Actually, well, yeah, I'll do it this way. So open website, that'll open it in a new link, and then we kind of see the work that they do. This is the part I enjoy. You click through their pictures. Everybody looks a little different. If you look down here, there's this IN is for LinkedIn. If you click that, that'll open their LinkedIn page. I'm not sure what it'll do for you. Mine always says try again, and then it actually opens it to the site. It turns out I'm already following these guys. We'll go back to their site. Anyway, what I'm interested in here is their web address, which I could actually just get from here. Every time I mouse over it, this is what makes Google Maps a joy, because I click open website or copy website. And I'm going to click copy. And what that does, it puts in the clipboard like Control C, and make them highlight this, and then hit Control K. and then Control V, and then apply. I think in my instructions I say hit enter, hit apply, and now that black text turned into blue text, and if I click this, it'll open up that website. So type, I'm going to copy architect, Control C, Google Map. Don't even worry about a CCB number. Phone number, here's another easy one to get off of here. You can call. You can call them ahead of time and say, hey, you guys want to send my son some business? He's a great person. Hit copy to clipboard. Paste that here. There will also be the address. Copy address. Copy here. And then hopefully there's an email we could find, because this is the goal, and this doesn't make it a pain. If there's a form, well, let's handle it. So somewhere on here, it's going to be different for everybody's website, especially architects. Just look somewhere on the page for contact, and you'll get something like this. Sometimes you'll get a form, and then you can't do much there. But if it's an email like this, what you can do is just click like to the left of it and then highlight it. Control C. I don't know why it's doing that. Click in that email. Control V. And that's really enough. If you want to go further, I have Housebook or Facebook, House, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube. If they have links for those and you want to get those, you want to say hi to Gam Gam? She'll be on the video here. Let's see. You gotta go to the camera. If you want to do the rest of those, that'd be awesome, because I will follow those guys with my business accounts, and this will just let me click over there. Let's see what these guys have. So we just copied the email and pasted it there. If you do click it and it does something weird, like opens this up, you can just copy it from here. Do some double clicking, Control C, or right click, copy, and just close that, discard, and then go back over here and paste it here, Control V, I'll paste the email. You don't need to worry about hyperlinking, it does automatically. Now back on these guy's website. Where was it? They had it down at their footer, all their stuff. Like an interesting crew. So here happens to be their Instagram. So what I can do is it opens their Instagram. I'll copy that. Control C. You don't want to hit follow, but I'm going to hit follow. Then I also probably should make sure I'm logged in with my business account, but whatever. Hey, Garza Construction, the guy goes to in Marcelino. I think I told you about him. Anyway, small world. So anyway, I got their Instagram link. So I go over here to the Instagram, Control K, Control V, enter, and now I have that. What else? I did see. I thought I saw more on here with these guys. And again, I want to look at their site and worry about whether it's something I could do or not. There's no telling. It's just, we're just trying to get contacts. Where was this? I think it was at their homepage. There we go. Their Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I think we did LinkedIn right there. We'll do Facebook. So here, Facebook, I am going to select it up here in the link. Control C. Go back here. Control K. Paste. Enter. I got that. Last one, we want to grab their LinkedIn, which we already clicked over here. Control C. Go back here. Go to LinkedIn. Control K. Control V. Hit enter. Pinterest and YouTube didn't have it, so we're not going to worry about it. Anything back here, don't need to worry about. If you want to write a note and you saw something really cool or something that you think I might like, feel free. That was it. One more is done. So, this is. Well, I'm gonna switch. This is nothing to do with you. I'm just not following these guys. So I'm gonna do that real quick since it's me doing this. Oops. Let's see if it'll open over there. So yeah, now we're in the business account, and I will follow. Then what I'm gonna do is close all of those so I don't get confused, and go back close this guy. That was number 1 done. Number 2, RZA A&D Architecture and Design. Let's go see if we have that. Yep, I already have that one, so we're gonna skip it. BB Skidmore. 1 review. It's alright. Beggars can't be choosers. So here we go again. I'm gonna copy it from here because it's clean and easy. Also, we'll check BB BEE. I do not see it, so we're gonna paste that in there. We're gonna get the business URL, copy website, highlight it, Control K, Control V, enter. This was still in that same architect search. So Google Map, I'm doing Control C, Control V. Let's see if we can find a phone number. It should be here. Copy phone number. Paste the phone number. We could get an address from here. Copy the address. Paste it in there. Control V. Now we'll open up their website. See if we can find their email. Open website. See, architects got crazy websites. This one looks a whole lot different. BB Skidmore, press words. Here's connect. There's a whole bunch of. Here we go. Info. Oops. Of people. But we're going to use the info one. Control C. Control V. Hit the enter. Now let's do the socials on these guys if they exist. Sometimes you gotta look around. Oh, that's a neat one, huh? I like that too. Yeah, it looks like these guys aren't putting any socials on there. They got a lot of pictures. I like this website. Commissions, press, awards. Which is good. They say don't put your socials on people's website because you want them to stay on their website. Oops. Staff credits. Nope. So that's it for this one. That works. We got an email. That's it. We close that and we check out the next one. West Architects Inc. I don't know if I have that. We'll get this last one. Nah, that's probably enough. It's fine. I gotta go do the other stuff. This thing I think saves automatically, so you don't gotta worry about saving it. As soon as you type something, if you watch up here, yeah, it saves it. It says document status saving, save to drive. So. And then what I'm doing is I'm putting this into MailChimp and doing email campaigns. That's what they're called. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Love you. Bye.